यस, तो अभी हमने आप लोगों को रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू सेकेंड मीडियम की बात की। अब हम लोग बात करेंगे रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू लेंस। रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू लेंस। रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट through lenses. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज लेंस। सबसे पहले तो हमको ये जानना है कि लेंस होता क्या है। एक्चुअली इफ वी टेक टू सॉलिड spherical glass, it is a spherical glass, it is center of this glass and it is radius. If we take its one small part and this small part, these two small parts be cut out from this spherical solid sphere and we join these parts and then such type of structure is formed. If we join these parts, then such type of structure is formed and this is called biconvex lens, or in simple this is called convex lens. In convex lens there are two surfaces, first surface and second surface, and there are two radius of curvature. Radius of curvature of first surface is R1 and radius of curvature of second surface is R2, but we have taken the two parts from the same sphere, so we can say the radius of curvature of both the parts are same. This is called center of the lens, and this is called first focus and this is called second focus. Whenever a light ray falls parallel to this lens, it always moves through the focus. Whenever we will fall the light ray parallel to the principal axis, it will refract, and after refraction it will move through the focus. And whenever a light ray is passing through the center of the lens, it passes without refraction. For example, if we take this light ray, it will pass without any refraction. So we have told you two main parts. Whenever light ray passes parallel to the principal axis, it refracts and crosses the principal axis at focus, and whenever a light ray passing through the center of curvature, it moves without any refraction. It moves without any refraction. In the book this is given that these light rays are incidenting parallel to the principal axis. Therefore, these are meeting at a point, and this point is called focus. And a light ray passes through the center of curvature, and this light ray moves without any refraction. Similarly, if we take a concave lens, concave means both the surfaces are dogged inside. This lens is known as concave lens. This lens is known as concave lens. This is concave lens. Now, if we draw the light ray on the concave lens, light ray moves away from the principal axis. In this way, these all meets at a point, and this point is known as focus. This light ray in this way, this light ray in this way, this light ray. These light ray moves away from the light ray moves away in this pattern. And this particular point is called the focus of concave lens. This is called focus of concave lens, and this is called focus of convex lens. So we have to learn only two things. Whenever light ray drawn parallel to the principal axis, it bends in such a way it will pass through the focus. And if we draw a light ray passing through the center of curvature, it moves without any refraction. It moves without any refraction. These two main logics we will use in the formation of the image by lens, by convex lens and concave lens. Now we have to form the images by convex lens and concave lens.